Hi, this is meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Wednesday. It's the 28th day of the month of August, 2024. We've got a lot of heat around the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeastern states, and it looks as though the heat advisory from D.C. up to the Boston area will continue. Some of the cities' temperatures will get up to about 94 to 97 degrees, maybe in Philly, New York. Up in the Boston area, probably closer to about 88, 90 degrees, but D.C. could get up to about 95, 96 with high relative humidity and heat index values, which is a combination of the temperature and the humidity and sunshine. And that type of pattern usually gives you a heat index somewhere between 100 and 105, and that's very uncomfortable. So these heat advisories will continue probably right up until 8 p.m. this evening, and then we'll get into some cooler weather. A cool front, actually, this time of year, is moving towards the region, and that's going to bring us some relief from this heat. And it's going to give us maybe a little bit of cloud cover on the daytime Thursday, but nice weather for Friday. Into the weekend, the frontal system stationary pretty close by, so that means that we'll probably have some scattered showers and thunderstorms as we head into this upcoming holiday weekend. First, of course, the last few days we've been talking about all the ragweed pollen. It looks like it has still quite severe in the Northeast, from New Jersey across through southern Pennsylvania, Delmarva, down to D.C. The highest amount of pollen at this point, ragweed pollen, is from the western Virginias and western Carolinas, northern portions of Georgia, Mississippi, Alabama, all across the Tennessee Valley and the central Mississippi River Valley, extending all the way out into the western Plains states. And even out in California, we have moderate to high amounts of ragweed pollen expected. Lighter amounts, though, in the Pacific Northwest. So still, if you have a problem with ragweed pollen, allergies to that, it is going to be quite tough, both today and probably tomorrow. Although tomorrow I'm seeing that frontal system moving through. Maybe we'll get some relief, and the ragweed situation will probably drift a little bit further south and occupy the Gulf Coast and most of Texas and into northern Florida. But we'll have more on that for tomorrow. Aviation-wise, if you're traveling into the airport hubs across the nation, it still looks good at the Atlanta, Hartsfield, and also at Charlotte. Chicago will have some scattered showers, but doesn't look like any major problems weather-wise there. We do see some locally heavy thunderstorms as a possibility north of D.C., Dulles up to about Philly, and maybe into the New York area, probably sometime between 4 and 8 p.m. During the daytime on Wednesday. Boston not looking too bad. South Florida also just some isolated showers and thunderstorms. Texas looking pretty good. Maybe some thunderstorms in Houston, but that'll be later day and evening. Most of the time just hazy and hot there. Dallas-Fort Worth about the same. West Coast looking dry from San Diego all the way up to Portland and into Seattle as well. I'm meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I'm the Weatherman. I hope you have a great day today. Talk to you first thing tomorrow. Take care.